much for loss of.
Menteri Ketenaga jengok kai ubak po Lyngdoh ula pensyai baga Jingiap uraja kalong ga jingja kabam jucia kon ula kentok bakum kani ga jingja kampat jucia ha mikalia haswa ban Jubab ya ga jingdawa ban Phah Tohkit Haka CBI ubak po Lyngdoh ula kentu yikipat ba ban long ki bayai sya namar ki jing shisha ki dang yai mi bat ga jing Tohkit kadang ya chakman bat kani kamukot duma kalapen bena ba kadai ga jing sya penyam ula kular ba ki pulet ga jela ki lapen dan kam yakilat kilenti ban Tohkit Halor kani ubak pol ula banjur bagi jingca bekum kini kimdai ban pentok beria ya ke jing shngan ha ke jala habayan ucor bat ke jingca ya uwei na ki nong shong shnong ke Shillong ubalaja ha Thailand ha kini ki prabanai baladem.
Are really shocked by what has transpired, but in the same breath, let me also say this, that this incident was unprecedented. No such crime has ever taken place in the past, and we do not know the full story as yet, and therefore we cannot pronounce the last word of what actually happened.
The gorge is about 3 layers, and they have gone right to the last layer, and NDRF, SDRF, SOT have gone down, and they have recovered the phone of the victim, and they've also recovered the weapon which was used. It was dao, the knife which was used, and that has been seized.
Ka executive